Gravity for all. Gravity is very important.
What is gravity?
It's the force that pulls everything down.
I don't understand.
If you pour water into a glass, the water goes down into the glass.
Of course it does.
Without gravity, the water would go up.
You're joking.
Without gravity, you would go up.
What do you mean?
You would float into the sky like a balloon.
That would be fun. Conversation 2.
Do your homework.
Have you done your homework?
Not yet.
Then why are you watching TV?
This is my favorite show.
Go do your homework.
But, Mom.
You can watch TV after you do your homework.
But the show will be over.
There will be another show next week.
Please?
You know the rules.
I hate the rules. I can't wait till I grow up. Conversation 3. Shake your pen. My pen is out of ink.
Shake it a couple of times.
I shook it. There is no more ink.
You can borrow mine.
Thank you. I'll buy a new one tomorrow.
What were you doing?
I was writing a letter.
Who were you writing to?
It's to my mom.
Tell her I said hello.
Okay. I'll return your pen when I'm done.
Take your time.
Conversation 4. A good magazine. I like this magazine.
So do I.
I read it once, and I subscribed.
It gives you all the news.
All the news in only 50 pages.
I like the political cartoons. I like the beautiful photos of the houses for sale.
I always read the film reviews.
I never miss the food and drink sect.
I gave a subscription to my parents.
Me too. They canceled their other news magazines.
So did mine.